Hi, what's up guys? Magic Damon here. Today we're going to talk about my dream desk setup. Firstly, we got the MacBook Pro 2017 model with the top spec. Got 4 gigabyte RAM, GPU RAM, and that's a MacBook Pro. And here we got my Bose noise cancellation QC certified Model 2, which is really great. If you go to like an airplane, just like open the app and put out air, works perfect at it. I also got my Jabra Soulmate. That was the free gift from Vodafone when I was like 4 years ago. That was the second time I queued up for the iPhone. I was the first one of New Zealand to got the iPhone. I think that was iPhone 6s Plus? No. That was like iPhone 7 Plus. Which is like the first generation of the Plus model, 5.5 inch screen. I was the first one in New Zealand, which means that will be the first one around the world. You can find out my news on the NZ Herald. It's a really great one and works really fine, even though it's like 4 years old, but still works like, it's really good. I got a cable here, which you can plug in your AirPod or whatever. I also got the Bluetooth, of course. So that's that one. And I also got Anker mobile charger, which works really good with any mobile phone. Just like plug in, and also support Qi fast charger. And it also supports Qi fast charge. So it's recharge really fast. Also got my graduation beer. I graduated last year, but my graduation ceremony was this year April. That was a gift from my girlfriend and my sister, which I loved it. And also got a couple of the external hard drive. I got my passport. That was like back when I was in Singapore, 5 years old or even 6 years old. That's Samsung one which my homestay gave me. I shouldn't say that, but That's a Kindle Paperwhite that we got from Beer. You can check out his video down here. His channel is really cool, and he did lots of podcasts. Even got the sticker, really cool. I read some architecture books from here, and that was perfect. Even though that's the first generation, but still works smooth and perfect. I love that really much. So that's that. I got As an architecture student, I got lots of magazines and books, which is only part of them. I got lots of back in my hometown, but that's what I got so far. Just all the magazines from Architecture New Zealand. I think that was like one issue per month or one issue 2 months, something like that. But I got since, yeah. So yeah, I also got, as an architecture student, I also got some sketchbook, and which I got really cool. Got 2 colors. I got the normal white color. I got also like the brown color. Really cool. I love that. And then I got my graduation. Certificate in here. I did another video about my graduation, the drama of my graduation, but it's here and stands for that, stands for Unitech, you know. Also got my new toy, DJI Osmo Mobile 2, which I'm currently using there and works really good. But I need some more time to do another review. I'll post another video about the Osmo Mobile 2 later, maybe, I don't know. But yeah, that's a really good tool, you know, just really ideal for vlog. That's the case of the DJI Osmo 2, which is inside of that box, and we'll open it up. Pretty simple. You got the USB charger, the charging cable here, and you got the Osmo Mobile 2 there, and that's it. Really simple. You can DIY of that case, you know, put some extra space, just, you know, dig some hole and put your other stuff in there. Will be really handy. So what else? I also got Samsung fast charge. It supports Qi wireless charge, which works with my iPhone 10, and it doesn't. It charges really fast, but it still compared to the wired charging, but still really cool. Just like plug in here, and it's charging. Also got my work desk lamp, IKEA Forza. I did another video, you can check it download here, and yeah, it works really good. What else? I also got my DJI drone bag, which I got my Mavic Pro in here. You can see my Mavic Pro here. I bought the white one from Apple Store. Thing is, you pretty much can only got from the DJI store, plus the online store, plus the Apple Store online, and yeah, it's the offline white model, and you can see here, pretty cool. It still works fine, even though didn't use that much, but still. So that's it. That's the controller of the Mavic Pro. I got 2 extra battery instead of the here, and yeah, so I can, you know, just like use that quite often, quite a lot when I was outside, because without, you know, any charging. Last but not least, last but not least, I got my coaster here. I got my cup of water with some ice cube. But there's really the best thing of the whole setup is my desk, because me and my girlfriend, we built it you know, from scratch, from like a single timber, but we built it. I did another video about the DIY desk setup, DIY desk. Yeah, I love this, because well, I was should be right. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Thank you. What's up guys, Magic Damon here. Yo!